How to turn off VoiceOver. If you want to turn off talkback feature on your iPhone, then this video is a short guide to solve it. For that, first of all, you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you'll see accessibility option. Tap on that. From here, choose option of VoiceOver, which is on the top. Now, in your case, this voiceover has been toggled on. So when you tap once, then it select an item. Then when you double tap to any option, then it will take an action to activate that selected item. So you have to simply double tap on that voiceover toggle to turn it off. In this simple way, you can easily turn off voiceover on your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.